Hi, this is Sean. One of the most valuable things I learned from Barry Harris was the use of the whole tone scale. So in this lesson, we're going to look at what is it, how can we use it, what are some tricks that you can get started with. First of all, what is the whole tone scale? Well, the whole tone scale is literally just all tones. So from C, tone, 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 okay? And you'll notice I'm playing half the notes on the piano, really, because there are only two of these. Imagine you've got 6 fingers on each hand. You do this, you've got the chromatic scale, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But you separate them, you get the 2 whole tone scales. So the first one is the C one, which is 3 whites there, 3 blacks there. And the other one is the C sharp one, which takes these 2 blacks. You can't have any notes that are common to both, right? One thing you can do is just run the whole tone scale all the way up. So in that example, I'm using it as if it's a C7, because in that whole tone scale, you'll see you get all the crucial stuff for C7, 1, 3, 7. You don't get a natural fifth, but you do get either a flat fifth or a sharp fifth, or both. So just taking 2 fingers here and then 5 here, you just practice making that sort of run. Even 1 octave takes you from C7 to F major 7. When you get better, try 2 octaves. You can even do 3. These obviously make really good endings for tunes. Thirds are really useful in the whole tone scale, root and third. So the C whole tone scale in thirds, broken thirds, or thirds held up. And you might say, why would I want to do that? Well, imagine this is a C7. These whole tones really relate to dominant chords coming down. That becomes C7 to F, or even up. If you're enjoying this lesson, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. If you've got something good to say, leave us a comment as well. Now let's get back to the lesson. The next thing you can do is triads in the whole tone scale. These can sound amazing, and I'm going to show you how to do them. The first thing to know about these triads is they are just like thirds, but you add another third in the whole tone scale. So you're just stacking 2 major thirds, a major third here, a major third here. And when you do that, you get an augmented triad, right? This is C major, C augmented, augmented fifth, sharpened fifth. Now, if you invert that, you get an inversion, obviously, of C augmented, but you also get E augmented. That would be an E major, there's the augmented. It's the same thing. And if you invert it again, A flat augmented. So you could see that really as one chord inverted. So then you take the D major, do the same thing with that. You get D, F sharp or G flat, depending on what you're doing. B flat, augmented, they're all the same. And then you just put them together like this. C augmented, D augmented, inversion of C, inversion of D, inversion of C, inversion of D. And you've got great sort of set of triads to play over a C7, either up or down. Of course, you don't have to go in order, it could be, like 1, 3, 2, 4, and home, that kind of thing. You may recognize this from this. Does this ring any bells? If you know what that is, put it in the comments. Improvisation using the whole tone scale. So C7 going to F major. C whole tone scale is really useful. And I think it sounds great because it's like you're getting notes from the C7 scale. These notes are from C7, and these notes are from G flat 7. The tritone of C, which can sound great in its own right. You're actually putting those 2 things together. So if I play C7 and take that C whole tone scale, taking that from C7 to F major, because obviously that's where C7 goes, great, just descending. Or all kinds of possibilities, right? Broken thirds. just an approach, right? So it doesn't matter if it looks like you're breaking the whole tone scale. It's just 2 half steps to get you back to the third of F, right? So the whole tone scale can be great for moving chords, runs, and also improvisation. So there's a lot you can get from it. If you want to finally stop jumping around random videos and get fluent with your playing in a structured way with support from me, come and see us on JazzSkills.